Titular King of Manipur Laisemba Sanajauba files nomination for upcoming Rajya Sabha elections on March 26 as BJP candidate. India reports first coronavirus casualty from Karnataka. Union Health Ministry confirms 75 positive coronavirus cases in India. Governor orders all government-aided and private schools in Manipur to remain closed with immediate effect till 31st of March to avoid COVID-19. And Government of India suspends all tourist visas and e-visas granted on or before March 11 in wake of coronavirus outbreak. Good afternoon. Welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangcham bringing you the top stories. Titular King of Manipur Laisemba Sanajauba filed his nomination for the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections on March 26 as BJP candidate today. Chief Minister N. Biren, Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit, Education Minister T.H. Ratheshyam, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam and other BJP MLAs accompanied the titular king for filing the nomination at the office of Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly M. Ramani. It may be mentioned that the lone Manipur Rajya Sabha seat fell vacant following completion of the term of Rajya Sabha MP K. Bhavananda.
The central leaders has given the recognition, the legacy of the Maharaja as well as a state of in India. So we are very proud and thanks to the national leaders for selecting the titular King Laisemba Maharaj for the Rajya Sabha post.
Aidi pura aingondadi yamna masi ngangna su thokjai aduga thodongna aina masi yam kanna kano torubadi leite adubu center ki leader sing aduga state ki koi honorable CM daibiri aduga ona koi honorable minister sing mayam amagi hoji haibi ke bado akoi ki konungi legacy si ngak naba adi masi makha phajana mai future ma semba yadaba amasung Laiba ki thabak che nangai ai chai kun mari manga uchen chena laiba ki torok pase kharai hena masak tongna tawba ngamna gi adi wakhal lode da ai masi yajabani.
A 76-year-old man who died 2 days ago in Karnataka while being treated for suspected coronavirus has become India's first COVID-19 fatality, with his samples taken earlier confirming the infection. The Union Health Ministry on Friday confirmed that the number of coronavirus patients in the country is 75, including the death of the man in Karnataka. Global death toll of coronavirus has reached 4,983 and nearly 134,000 people have been infected, out of which 70,395 have recovered. There are nearly 60,000 active cases worldwide, out of which 5,758 people are in serious condition. COVID-19 has killed 1,016 in Italy, 429 in Iran, and 3,177 people in China. In order to ensure reduction of mass gatherings and to avoid spread of COVID-19, Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah has ordered all schools to remain closed with immediate effect till 31st of March in public interest. The order says all government-aided schools, including private schools in Manipur, are ordered to remain closed with immediate effect. However, all kinds of examination already scheduled to both theory and practicals conducted by BOSIM and COSIM will not be affected. All DCs and ZEOs have been instructed to ensure compliance of the order by concerned stakeholders. As the World Health Organization declares coronavirus a pandemic, the government of India has suspended all tourist visas and e-visas granted on or before March 11th. All incoming visitors, including Indian nationals, are advised against non-essential travel. An official statement said that all existing visas except diplomatic, official, UN or international organizations employment project visas stand suspended till 15th of April 2020. The order comes into effect from today. Visas of all foreigners already in India remained valid. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch in association with Manipur Adventure and Mountaineering Biker Association Mamba carried out a cycle rally spreading awareness on prevention from novel coronavirus in Imphal city yesterday. The rally is spreading the message of cleanliness, hand washing, practicing good hygiene, safety and awareness against coronavirus started from IRC Manipur State Branch at MD Avenue and went through major areas of Imphal city including Nagamapal, Wahenglaikai, Kaishampat, Kaishamthong, Kangempali, Singjamai, Kongba, Wangkai, Hapta and concluded at its initial point. Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Y. Mohan, Secretary R.K. Nimai, retired IAS, International Committee of Red Cross Manipur State Branch Program Manager Yumnam Lakshman, famed Sumanglila artist Narendra Ningomba and other eminent persons raised awareness about COVID-19 at various Yaosheng public gatherings. City Police, along with Indian Red Cross Society, Imphal West District Branch has also carried out an awareness campaign against COVID-19 at Imphal City. City Police personnel and members of IRCS and members Imphal West Branch put up banners spreading awareness on precautionary measures against coronavirus in the two major markets of the city. They also distributed COVID-19 awareness pamphlets to the passerby. Speaking on the sidelines, member of IRCS Imphal West Branch, Dr. Tej Bamkin Chandra said the campaign aimed to reduce tension among the people in the state in the wake of global coronavirus outbreak by raising awareness on how to protect oneself from the deadly disease.
Coronavirus se kamana prevention to ba yai khut sengna hamba khotpa already mark chupi ba do's and don'ts myam se khoina public sandok saraga khitang makai asagi mark si preventive measures oigadra na adu yi pandam de yengaga khoina crowd level area se khoina sum awareness pizabani fever level ngata lok khu ngata coronavirus ki lei je achi oide tobudu akoina section adobdi adum lairagadi doctor da chalaga yengbiu aduga outside India chaluba India mong chaluba halako rega su magi history da phan haibi daga mayam ne paina phanai aduna akoina yam hena su panic oidaba akoina section big tholong khal lokho charagadi khoi sidigi ngangthop khar ngomudra na adui pandam da khoin tawjabani hemsiki campaign si.
Home Minister Amit Shah has postponed his proposed visit to Manipur until April 15th amid the global coronavirus outbreak. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit disclosed the same to media during a press meet held at the conference hall of his office at New Secretariat yesterday. Minister Biswajit assured that the government is taking necessary measures to contain the spread of novel coronavirus. He appealed to the public to be aware of various preventive and precautionary measures against COVID-19 and to avoid public gatherings as much as possible.
Amit Shaji akoi chahi ahum pharakpagi sarkar achigi lakani haidana torumbadu April 15 bawta lakpa akoina yaithokre masi adagi yaithorpa nati part of the state government gi section thorang oimana public meeting nataga public gathering tawasi kanagumba laibak thiba ma yawu matamda natraga koi tholakpa yaba potu de akoina protectively chatpa phai haidana sarkar achina ngasi koi mahakki visit phawda akoina yaithokre thabal chongbuse koi sarkar na pulap oina akoina thinge habagi wafam natraga su masi yaringai makha tabidana akoigi leriba yaochang hek akoigi kanagumana yaragadi akoigi sarkar gi makaidagadi hayeng bhawta ju akoide chongbidana ba aduga chonge harga su section thorang lokhat pere har kanda tawdaba yadaba niyom kanglun khara expert sing doctor sing na pidi ba sing che si chanabi re harga manipur da juma si protection tawna ba amadi masinga thona ba isa section si section bio haidana akoigi sarkar gi makaidagi spokesperson ama oina ai haijari.
Owing to the prevailing threat of coronavirus outbreak, Manipuri Maitai Association Bangalore has also cancelled its annual Yaosheng Thabal for this year. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on people holding Yaosheng Thabal amid coronavirus threat. We'll be right back. You're watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Current global COVID-19 outbreak did not deter people of the state from holding Yaosheng Thabal Chongba. People even chose to ignore the Chief Minister's plea to reduce mass gathering as preventive measures against a deadly disease. They said Yaosheng Thabal Chongba event comes once a year and they will enjoy the festival, while some people appeal to uphold the sanctity of the traditional event and not to turn it into a fashion event.
Coronavirus world India Manipur section fashion hanagi lerambadu yamna fai haziksu upgrade tawkhalakbane hai aduga ka hena mina yengbada nuai roidaba dress hetaba yengbiriba mayamna su lana ubidaba haisma hajani
Thabal sinba na lekai gi isan isei jema leptana msathare awon madiyam lai mapana ba setba maidai gi traditional dress apa man loina tawbire yam nuai
Corona kagadi am ki ba phawe aduga lai haidana ko ju yaksang matam oibanina kamai tawdoina haibada sanitizer ko masijana ye dum hala su hand wash fazana dum tawwe kusa hamdana khotana sijangdana ba khotana ba sanitizer ko makai matai dana khotana lai sabi masaje kanu numan ga pi dana khoi tawjaye ba
tahi magi sumaina thaban chong paje yam nungsi ba nat gi hoiba koi mapanai chelaga sari chelaga de angang hingju mapanai chelaga natra morang bijan che phanek chelaga
Public Health Engineering Department, Thawbal Division, along with District Water Sanitation and Social Development Club, Wangbal, has conducted a quiz competition for children on health and sanitation at Wangbal in Thawbal District. Judges asked questions about Jal Jeevan Mission, coronavirus, green mission and open defecation to the contestants. Ukrul's Salt and Light Traveling Band has bagged the Best Band title in Rhythms and Aromas of Northeast contest of the 4th International Music Festival recently held in Guwahati. Shillong's Thunder's Cave and Nagaland Paradigm Shift bagged the first and second runners-up titles in the contest. Selected music bands from the 9 Northeast states took part in the competition. And now the sports news. 10th annual sports meet of All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU held since March 8 concluded yesterday. Shanghai Express defeated the opponents in the final cricket match of AMJU Sports Meet 2020 played at Luang Pogba Cricket Stadium. In the first quarter-final match, Bongnapam Daily beat correspondent 11th, while ISTV defeated Media Unified in the second quarter-final match. Impact TV thrashed Huyen Lanpao in the fourth match to enter the semi-final. Shanghai Express beat Bongnapam Daily in the first semi-final match, while ISTV defeated Impact TV in the second semi-final match. Shanghai Express thrashed ISTV in the final match to clinch the champion title of the cricket match. Altogether, 7 teams competed in the 8-over cricket match. Young Physic Union Lalambung defeated Nisa Thangmaiban 2-0 to become the winner of the 10th Shahid Manoranjan Singh Memorial State Open Football Tournament yesterday. CRPF and Imphal West Football Association organized a tournament under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association at Sai Complex. Takil, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and top officials of CRPF distributed prizes to the winners and runner-up team. Annual exhibition football match on the motto Youth to Join Defence Forces interaction of youths with service personnel charity for orphans. Family gathering of serving personnel was held at Chajing, Kangjaypung yesterday. The exhibition match was played between UVSA Chajing and Force 11, a team comprising of people working in the field of Indian Navy, Army, CRPF, BSF, Assam Rifles, AG and Health Sector. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam kicked off the match. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Titular King of Manipur Laisem Basanachauba files nomination for upcoming Rajya Sabha elections on March 26 as BJP candidate. India reports first coronavirus casualty from Karnataka. Union Health Ministry confirms 75 positive coronavirus cases in India. Governor orders all government-aided and private schools in Manipur to remain closed with immediate effect till 31st of March to avoid COVID-19. And Government of India suspends all tourist visas and e-visas granted on or before March 11th in wake of coronavirus outbreak.